Welcome to the Entrepreneur AI Accelerator online community. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to navigate our app so that you can find everything and get the most out of our community. We're going to go over courses here. We're going to go over our discussion forums. Then we're going to go over our live events. And then lastly, we're going to go over our member list. Let's begin. So when you download our app, also when you access it through the website, on the left-hand side, you want to start with getting started. Here you'll find this training video so you can review it over and over again. And then here you have a checklist of things to do. So let's go over our space. On the left hand side you have courses. So these are our full courses that are completely unlocked that you start watching by clicking on any of the lessons. It will open this lesson. You have the full list of the curriculum on the right hand side and you could click play. Here's today's agenda. We're going to talk about what are large language models. There are other options here to get more out of the video. You can maximize the screen by clicking on this button right there and it will take it to full screen. I'm going to click that button again to minimize it. On the right hand side you have the entire curriculum which you have access to, so you can jump around to any section that you want. Once you finish the video, it will automatically play the next video, or you could click this button to complete the lesson, and that way you can keep track of the lessons that you've completed. On the right hand side in the top corner, you also have this button right here, which will bring up comments. So if you have any questions related to this lesson, you want more clarification or any other help, please feel free to type your question here and I will reach out and answer that question in the chat here. I can click the X button. So this kind of just toggles that little menu button here if you want to make it full screen. And then if you want to bookmark this lesson, you could click this button to bookmark it to come back. So you have the entire course here. Then to exit the video player, on the top left hand side there's this back arrow. This will take you back to the home screen. We have additional courses such as the Notion course here, which we have a full Notion course with some projects. Then we also have a productivity course, and we're adding more courses such as Midjourney, Zapier, and more based on community feedback. So you can find all the courses here. On the left hand side here, if you have a question about anything related to how to get, what's the best AI tool, you have troubleshooting about a ChatGPT question, what's the best prompt for, business challenges, any question that you want help from the community, this is a mastermind group. We're here to help and support each other. Go to the questions and support and you can here click this and you can answer your question here. Please be very descriptive, and then you could click publish, and the community will answer your question here in the chat. Next one down is free resources. So this, I'm always adding probably the best resources about AI, the AI tools, and resources to help take your skills to the next level. The real thing you want to play with is an AI treasure chest. So if you click on this, this will take you to my private Google Drive where I have lots of ChatGPT books. Like say for example, there's one book right here. So these are full books related to ChatGPT, all completely free for you to use. There's also cheat sheets and guides in here, like resources like this keyboard shortcut, and then also the frameworks image here. So this is your entire treasure trove of resources and guides. If you have some you want to add to the community, go ahead and share it in a post. We would love to have the resources so that we can all learn and grow together. So there's many resources right here. And then I also put together my own top 50 best AI tools so that you're aware of, like, hey, I need something for plagiarism, or I need something for an AI assistant or a digital notebook or a writing assistant. I keep this list updated as the best tools available. And then next we have our weekly live sessions. So you can click here for weekly live sessions to RSVP, but I'm going to just go to the event list right here for the calendar just to give you an overview. We have live open office hours events every Wednesday and Sunday. We're going to go over demos. If you have any questions, we're going to get also support. We'll showcase use cases from members in the community, and then also give you weekly live updates with all the new things in AI so that you're completely up to date with AI in your industry. Then lastly, we have our members list. So I encourage you, right now there's just 2. You'll also be adding, we'll be growing. So if you want to, just feel free to DM a member here. So you could DM me, for example, by clicking on my profile. You can send me a message right here and you can just say hi. ask me a question. Feel free to chat. You have complete access. We want to encourage you to network with each other, learn and grow. We really want you to walk away with growing your network. Please don't be shy here. We're all here wanting to learn AI, wanting to grow our businesses, wanting to take advantage of all the advanced technology so that we can accomplish all our goals and dreams. So we're really amongst a community of very, very kind entrepreneurs. And then lastly, I highly encourage download the app. But let me just do this one last thing. So checklist. So if you get lost and forget everything that I just went over, everything you will find is in the getting started. This is our homepage. You'll find the training video that I'm recording right now, right here. And then also you'll have a checklist of things to go through so that you could cover what to do. So definitely download the mobile app. Then you could go to our getting started page right here. And introduce yourself. Just create a post, teaches you how to create a post there. And then go to our weekly live sessions here. Go ahead and RSVP for some event. When you RSVP, you'll see an event, you'll click RSVP, and then it'll give you an option. Which ones do you want to attend? We also have them every Sunday and then every Wednesday. Those are our main two right there. So RSVP, and then be sure to add it to your calendar so that you don't forget. And so that's our checklist for there. Let's go back to our checklist here. Great. So attend our weekly live events. That's where you're going to get most out of updates, questions. We're also going to pre-record them and save them in a new list right here so that you can watch all the pre-recordings from previous events so that you don't miss out. Then start with picking a course and just start binging, kind of like Netflix for AI skills, start learning. And if you have a question or want to recommend a course, we're always adding new courses every month so that you guys stay up to date. These aren't always all the courses. We're going to be adding more like Midjourney and Zapier. Then explore our free resources right here. Then if you have a question, go ahead and ask a question in the support. And then lastly, go to members right here and you can start a chat with any member or just say hi to me. So that's it for the overview. I look forward to meeting you in the AI community. Thank you so much for being a part of the family, and I'll see you in the app. Bye.